How to turn off captions or subtitles on YouTube Shorts. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off captions or subtitles on YouTube Shorts. Captions can be useful for understanding what someone is saying, but they can be also distracting. If you want to watch a video without them, it's simple to do. First, open the YouTube mobile app on your device. Once you are in the app, find any YouTube short that has captions available. You can tell a video has captions when you see text appearing in the top as it plays. After selecting your desired short, look at the top right corner of your screen for three little dots. Tap on these dots to access various settings and look for that specific video. Look for the option labeled caption and tap on it. Then select off. A confirmation message will appear that subtitles or CC have been turned off. This means you have successfully disabled caption for that short. Now you can enjoy your favorite YouTube shorts without any distractions from subtitles. That concludes this tutorial. If you have any questions about this process, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.